Rain battered the attic window as Lydia dusted off the typewriter she'd found at the estate sale. Its keys gleamed, untouched for decades, beneath a thick layer of dust. She placed it carefully on her desk, curiosity piqued by the faded note tucked beneath. Do not use after midnight. Midnight struck as the wind howled outside, rattling the old house. The silence shattered. A single key clacked. Lydia froze, heart pounding. Another letter, then another. Her trembling fingers hovered above the keys, but she wasn't touching them. The carriage jerked, the ribbon snapped taut, and words began to appear. I see you. Lydia's breath hitched, panic rising. The keys moved faster, slamming out sentences with unnatural speed. You shouldn't be here. You let me in. Shadows stretched and crawled along the walls, pooling at her feet like living ink. She tried to run, but her legs refused to obey. The typewriter hammered relentlessly. You're mine now. Cold, invisible hands gripped her shoulders. Lydia screamed, but the attic swallowed the sound whole. The final line etched itself in blood-red ink. Another voice joins the keys. The typewriter fell silent, save for a faint, ceaseless tapping, echoing Lydia's last heartbeat.